Hello guys, today's video I just wanted to talk about how you can really flip anything. And what do I mean by that? Here I have the Squid Industries Squiddy AL with me, and I just wanted to show you guys that you can do all kinds of crazy tricks on it. And I mean, for $100, I would hope so, right? But when you get to something like my first balisong ever, it looks ridiculous, but I can still do a lot of shit with it. And it honestly, it surprises me a little bit because I could never even imagine doing some of this stuff on this balisong, but I can now. And I think it really goes to show how you can really flip anything, even if it's $160 or $20. And I know even in between that, something that's cheap still flips really well. And I mean, I think it goes to show, like, most of us start out with a balisong, and at least in my case, I thought you needed a really good balisong to do better tricks, but it's really not the case. You can really learn anything, as long as you have an okay balisong. This is definitely not an okay balisong, but even some of these like $20, $30 Amazon knives, you can still learn a lot of tricks on. And it really goes to show how you can really flip anything. This is just a premium. You don't need this to do crazy tricks. Felt like I was doing better with the Amazon knife right there. But yeah, I mean, oh man, my first balisong. Such a piece of shit. Anyway, I'll stop yapping. That was me for today. You guys have a great rest of your day. See you in the next one.